Hello friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Here are some logic gates problems. Calculate output Y for two different cases for which given circuit shown. Here the circuit is given like this. We have to consider the two cases, that is A equal to B equal to C equal to D equal to E equal to F equal to G equal to 1. So we put the values as 1 and what will be the output. And also we have to check, that is A equal to B equal to C equal to D equal to 0 and E equal to 1, F equal to G equal to 0. So first case, that is everything that is equal to 1 means A equal to B equal to 1 means the SOR gate two inputs are same. That means the output will be 0. The black values represent the first case. The red values represents the second case. So it will be, the output will be 0. Because we know that SOR gate is an inequality detector. Here the inputs are same means the output will be 0. Here also output will be 0. 0, 0 is the input of this SOR. So output will be 0. Here E is equal to 1 means the AND gate output will be 0. So because 0 into 1, that is 0 only. 0 and 1 is the input of means 1 is the answer, and G is 1 and here also 1. So output of this AND gate will be 1 only. So the case 1, the output will be 1. Second case, it is represented by red values. The second case is represented in red ink, in which A equal to B equal to 0 means SOR gate output will be 0. C equal to D 0 means output will be 0. These outputs are the inputs of this SOR gate. So the output will be 0. 0 and here E equal to 1 means here also the output will be 0 because AND gate 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Here the F is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0 only, and G is equal to 0, so 0 into 0 is 0, so output will be 0. Second problem, consider the circuit diagram given in the figure and find the output Y. Here the connection as X is given, so for SOR gate inputs are same, so output will be 0. This X is also connected to this SOR means the output will be X, because SOR has two inputs. One is 0 means the output will be another. One input will be 1, then the output will be another bar. Okay. So X and X are the inputs of this third SOR means the inputs are same, so the output will be 0. So output will be 0 for this circuit diagram. Next question, for a given circuit diagram, determine the output. Here we know that the inputs are 1 and X for the SOR gate. So the output will be X bar, because the SOR gate the inputs are 1 and another means the output will be another bar. Is 0 and another means the output will be another only. So here the inputs of the SOR gate are X bar and X. So the inputs are different. So the output will be 1. And up to etc. to 20th SOR is the output of the circuit diagram. Answer for this circuit. So we just compare this case just like that. For first SOR, the output will be X bar. Second SOR, the output will be 1. The third SOR has an output will be X bar. Fourth SOR have an output will be 1. So we can conclude that odd SOR output will be X bar and even SOR output will be 1. So 20th SOR output will be 1. So the output of circuit diagram will be 1. For this circuit, find the output. Here X and 1 are connected. So we know that 1 is one input, means another bar is the output, X bar. X bar and 1, then X bar bar means X is the output. So we have to find number 100 SOR. So we know that 100 is an even number. So just like second, so the output will be X only. Consider this diagram in which we know that 2 SOR and 1 OR gate, in which 1 and A are the input of first SOR. So A bar is the output. 1 and B are inputs of second SOR. B bar is the output. These two will be added by OR gate. So A bar plus B bar. Y is equal to A bar plus B bar is replaced by A into B all bar by De Morgan's theorem. How we get that first SOR result as A bar as output? We know that if A and B are the inputs of OR gate, A bar B plus AB bar is the output of OR gate. Here the inputs are 1 and A. So A bar into 1 plus A into B bar is 0. So this result is A bar. So we get A bar. The trick is that if inputs are 1 and another, means the output will be another bar. Okay. 0 and another means the output will be another only. Consider this circuit diagram. In 1 are the inputs of OR gate, means 0. That is, inequality detector is the OR gate. Here the inputs are same. Here 1 and 0 means 1 is the output. This 1, 0 and 0 is added, which means that the output will be y is equal to 1 only. This 0, 1 and 0 will be added up and we get the output as 1 for the circuit diagram.